Let's learn the alphabet with superheroes. A. A is for Aquaman. B. B is for Batman. C. C is for Catwoman. D. D is for Deadpool. E. E is for Electro. F. F is for Flash. G. G is for Groot. H. H is for Hulk. I. I is for Iron Man. J. J is for Joker. K. K is for Korg. L. L is for Loki. M. M is for Mystique. N. N is for Nebula. O. O is for Odin. P. P is for Poison Ivy. Q. Q is for Quicksilver. R. R is for Robin. S. S is for Spider-Man. T. T is for Thor. U. U is for Ultron. V. V is for Venom. W. W is for Wolverine. X. X is for X-Men. Y. Y is for Yondu. Z. Z is for Zorro. Let's try again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Do you remember the names of superheroes? Aquaman, Batman, Catwoman, Deadpool, Electro, Flash, Groot, Hulk, Iron Man, Joker, Korg, Loki, Mystique, Nebula, Odin, Poison Ivy, Quicksilver, Robin, Spider-Man, Thor, Ultron, Venom, Wolverine, X-Men, Yondu, Zorro. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find more interesting videos on our channel. See you soon!